Hello and welcome, everybody. Hey, our first guests are organizing a rally, and they join us today with a lot of information. We welcome Iesha Sekou, founder, CEO of Street Corner Resources, and organizer Awliyah Safi. Welcome, welcome, welcome. During this pandemic, how are you guys faring?
Well, I'll start by saying that so far, so great. We've been doing really well. Street Corner Resources, we have an outreach team called Speak Peace Forward. And we've been actually in the community during the pandemic early on. We're actually finishing up our 14th week of distributing masks and gloves. We've been recognized and asked to be ambassadors for Harlem by the mayor's office. We are funded by the mayor's office on to prevent gun violence. I'm sorry, the mayor's office to prevent gun violence. And so we've been literally on the ground using our mobile unit, which is a big 35-foot bus that we take through the community to do distribution. And we normally do education, employment, and training. So we're part of the crisis management system for New York City, which is the Pure Violence family. So there are like 22 sites in the city that do the work that we do. But we took the leadership differently from a lot of folk to just go ahead in the very, very beginning, before we were told we had to wear masks and gloves, to give out masks because we just knew that it had to be airborne, this COVID-19 virus.
You have an anniversary coming up, right? Someone in your family, a significant other, passed away on June the 24th.
Absolutely. My twin flame, my loved one, he passed away June 24th. It was gun violence, crime, but it didn't have anything really to do with his life and how he stood. When my loved one passed away, it was just like so strange to me. I didn't understand gun violence. It didn't have to approach my door, and I didn't think it ever would.
What do you have coming up on the 24th? Because what you had last week was beautiful. Go ahead.
Right. So I'm going to let Awliyah talk about the 24th. It's really a call for peace. It's a call for calm, right, Awliyah? And unconditional love.
Absolutely.
And Awliyah actually brought this to me and said, I want you to help me with this. So I'll let Awliyah speak more to that.
Okay, so the 24th is basically a platform for the community, our elders and our youth to come out and to support one another. That's what Leroy stood for. That's what I stand for, and that's what a lot of us stand for. We just haven't had the platform or the courage to step out, or even the peace of mind to really just step out and just do it. Like, there's so much going on. So when it comes in your spirit to do it, then you just like organize it and do it, make the connections that you need to make to do it. And so what's going to be happening there is we're going to be sharing a list of Black-owned businesses and Black-owned entrepreneurs. We're going to be handing out those lists so that people can become more familiar with what's going on within our community, within the community of Central Harlem, and how we're alive, and just being able to connect with just the community at large. Whether you're a creative, whether you're a business professional, we're not putting judgment on who's coming out and who's being supported. This is an event where everyone is being supported, whether you're Muslim, whether you're Christian. We're not putting any periods on who we consider to be community. We're inviting all the community to come and to share in this space of unconditional love and to be reminded.
Love.
Yeah, to be reminded.
What are you calling this event?
It's called unconditional love.
Unconditional love. Agape love. Unconditional love.
I also offer an open space for women within my community. So if women are overwhelmed, I understand that and I empathize with that. And so I've opened up my space for women who are just overwhelmed and need someone to talk to and need someone to find networks with. They can contact me at airsheisevents@gmail.com. You're not alone. Like, you have a sister that is sincere and in the community that's here for you. So, let's be together. Let's work together.
That's what's up. Iesha, what's that website that you're putting together?
Our website, which is still under construction, but you can see it, is scrnyc1.org. S like Sam, CRNYC.org. And you can also go to our Instagram page and our Facebook page. And that's Street Corner Res, at Street Corner Res. And so what I want the community and the listeners to know is that Pure Violence, Street Corner Resources, the Speak Peace Forward team, Pure Violence program does as much work as we do to engage the community, but not just engage. We are trying to create and change the mindset that we have accepted violence in our community. We started calling the neighborhood the hood. We have to go back to neighborhood. We have to go back to us giving to each other without being suspect of each other.
Thank you guys so much. We love you for what you're doing.
We
All right,
love you too. Thank you.
right here. I've got more coming up next right here on Open.